Question number 7, Cynthia is asking, once the holiday rush is over, what month do sales typically rebound back to normal? So if we put July, August, and September to normal, if you assume that July, August, and September are normal and we put them on 100% as lowest season in the year, July, August, and September on 100% as the lower season in the year, October would be approximately at 115%, 115, November at 200%, December at 350%, January at 250%, and February drops back to 115%. March goes up a bit to 130%. April goes up even more to 180%. May drops back to 130%. June goes down to 115%, July 100%, August 100%, September 100%. Your best sales months in the year are November, December, and January, followed by April, followed by May, February, June, and then everything else is the normal.